Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my Clone Me review. In this review, I'll be showing you what Clone Me is, and also, most importantly, I'll be revealing the high quality custom bonuses that I'm giving away to make you get even better results with Clone Me. Clone Me launches on the 14th of January by 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. In a nutshell, this is a collection of a total of 40 campaigns. This is a product from Brendan Mace, and these campaigns have actually resulted in making several thousands of dollars in commission. Now, the good thing is he has actually put together all these campaigns such that you can actually use these campaigns the way they are. All you need is to swap your affiliate link, and then this becomes yours, and you can actually get paid copying these campaigns. So that's what Clone Me is all about. I'm going to take you to this is the dashboard. I'm going to let you see how this works in a short while. But right now, I'm going to show you the custom bonuses you'll be getting in addition to Clone Me. This is my bonus page, and you'll find the link to this page in the description of this video. The first bonus I'm giving away is a traffic software that allows you to drive a ton of high quality, highly targeted traffic from Instagram. By the time you are done creating your campaigns, which only takes a few seconds, you would need to blast some high quality traffic to these so that you can actually get conversions and sales and get the commissions. Basically, that is what I would do. I would basically open up an endless flow of traffic, and this is something you can actually set up and actually forget, and then you can go ahead, continue to do other things while this actually works for you. So this allows you to connect multiple Instagram accounts, and then you do not need any followers on these accounts to use them to drive traffic. All you need to do is add your affiliate links or add your campaign links in the bio of these Instagram accounts. It allows you to repost viral content from other Instagram users. You are going to be able to copy trending hashtags from other Instagram users. Also, you will be able to schedule your posts, videos, images. You'll be able to schedule them to go out in the future. So you need only a few minutes to set everything up. Then you can sit back, relax, watch all your posts go out in days to come, weeks to come, or even months to come based on your settings. And this works basically on autopilot. So this allows you to drive traffic in any niche. These hashtags you'll be able to copy from other Instagram users are guaranteed to drive you some highly targeted traffic. Also, bonus number 2, I'm going to be giving you access to another cloud-based software that allows you to create your own high quality custom squeeze pages. Now, these squeeze pages allow you to offer quality lead magnets and make people give you their emails. You are going to be building your list, and your subscribers are going to be getting what you've promised them. So this allows you to build your list on autopilot, and this also allows you to promote any affiliate products. You'll be getting access to templates with which you can actually create your own custom squeeze pages. Also, bonus number 3, you'll be getting access to my latest product, which is Commission Flex. This is going to give you access to campaigns where you can actually set up and then customize your thank you page, which is the page people will land on when they give you their email addresses. You'll be able to give out custom lead magnets. Not only that, once people jump in on the thank you page, they're going to find recommendations from you, which are going to be your own affiliate links. When they purchase this, you're going to get paid as an affiliate. You are also going to be getting access to inbuilt free traffic in the dashboard of Commission Flex. Also, bonus number 4, you'll be getting access to training that shows you 3 highly targeted traffic sources you can go and fetch high quality traffic to your affiliate offers, to your campaigns. And also, bonus number 5, you'll be getting access to all the vendor bonuses in addition to my own bonuses. What you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the blue buttons on this bonus page, and when you click on any of these blue buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of Clone Me. This is where you'll be able to pick up Clone Me, and here it says 40 done for you campaigns made us over $92,412.82. Just copy and paste. Each campaign generates us passive income daily. Now it's your turn. So come check out the video presentation on the sales page. Also check out the features here. Each campaign has banked us over $1,500. So come check out the features. Come check out the proof of income also, and come get full information on this sales page. Once again, this has been put together by a super affiliate. His name is Brendan Mace. So I'm just going to let you check out the sales page in your own time, but right now I'm going to take you to the dashboard, the members area of Clone Me, and what you're going to see is the campaigns you've already created. If you click on view, you are going to get access to these campaigns listing all the bonuses that your subscribers or your potential customers are going to be getting if they choose to pick up this particular product through your link. And when they actually click on any of the buttons on this page, let me open up another one. If they actually pick up any of these products through the buttons on this page, this is going to be through your affiliate link. You are going to get paid, and they are going to be getting access to all these high quality custom bonuses, which would basically convince anybody to want to pick up this product through your own link. So to create a new campaign, all you need to do is click on create new campaign, and then you can actually give your campaign a name, and then this is where you need to add your affiliate link. I'm just going to go and get my bonus page link and paste it right there, but this is supposed to be your Warrior Plus affiliate link for the product, and then you can actually select whichever product you basically want to promote. Let's just select Vanquish and just click on save and publish. It's just as easy as that to create campaigns right from the members area of Clone Me. And these are campaign. If we want to view this, you can click on view, and there you go. You'll be able to use review videos by Brendan himself, and if anybody clicks on this, it actually takes them to your affiliate offer, and they'll be able to get access to all these bonuses. So that's how easy it is to create campaigns. You can actually copy these and you can actually share these. You're also going to be able to preview the bonus page, which also looks like this. So this is absolutely amazing. This should be what you're going to put in your in the members area of Warrior Plus for the affiliate offers, so that anybody who picks this up also gets instant delivery of their bonuses. So it's that easy to use, it's that easy to create campaigns in less than a minute. So now I'm going to take you to the pricing to show you the pricing for Clone Me and also the optional upgrades. The front end, which includes the dashboard and all these campaigns, actually goes for a one-time fee of $12.95, but the price is actually expected to go up within the period of this launch. So the earlier you come in, the lower the price you are going to be able to pick up Clone Me. The first optional upgrade is the traffic training that goes for $37. The second optional upgrade is the lifetime campaigns that goes for $197, and this gives you access to monthly campaigns from us for life. There's a downsell for that. That's the 14-day trial reviews at $37 per month. The third optional upgrade is the easiest system ever that goes for $167. Everything all set up and good to go for easy profits. OTO number 4 is limitless traffic. We're going to allow 100 people to siphon the traffic directly from our sales pages. An excellent investment. This goes for a one-time fee of 147. The final upgrade is the license rights, and this allows you to get and keep 100% commissions across the entire funnel of Clone Me. So that's going to be my review for Clone Me. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and I'll see you in the next.